Remember this guy? He was once a stick, then he got his 3 leaves. Well, this is what he looks like now. He is growing very, very, very well. Huge leaves. Can you imagine? Like literally, just a few months ago, he was nothing but a stick. Just gorgeous. I like it when experiments work out, unlike the watermelons. Oh, you want to know about the watermelon experiment too? I'll give you an update on that one. So this is the outcome of that experiment. They all died. So I think I'll just throw this old soil probably somewhere in the garden and put it to better use. At least we got it right with the fig. Ciao for now.